Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Arthur and you're watching Dirt Hammers Off-Road. Hey, if you're new, make sure you like the video, share the video, drop a comment, and make sure you subscribe. Returning subscribers, hey, thank you for your support. You know what to do. Hey, today in this video, I want to show you these tools, these adjustment knob tools for your RS9000XL shocks. John Rigby from Trail Gear Solutions sent these to me. He kind of liked some of the videos I did about the Rancho shocks. He said, hey man, you need some of these adjustment tools. And he's right. These things are really slick. They're designed to fit the adjustment knob on the shocks, which makes that process of adjusting the shocks really easy. So if you're familiar with the RS9000s, you'll know that if your hands are cold or you got a big pair of gloves on, the adjustment knob is kind of difficult to get a hold of and get a grip of it. Or if it's just wet and muddy, it's hard to get a grip of it and change it. This right here is going to be kind of a game changer for those shocks, to be able to adjust them regardless if it's cold, muddy, you got big gloves on. These can get it done. These are 3D printed and manufactured by Trail Gear Solutions. Got a nice little hole in it. You can put your little paracord keychain. The red one sells for $14.99. It's just a little bit more expensive than the black one because mainly material cost. The black one is $9.99. I'll have all the information below in the description area, the links where you can order these. And I kind of like the red one. I'd pay a little more for the Rancho red. That's kind of sharp. But anyways, let me get these on the adjustment knob and let's show you how they work. The great thing about this tool from Trail Gear Solutions is I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but you can see it's manufactured to have the same shape and fit as the adjustment knob. You can see the size of this thing. It's got a really nice big surface area, kind of like a big thumb screw. But man, that just makes the adjustment of these effortless. I can take that all the way back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I mean, effortless with this tool. This is so neat. Look at that. Black one does the same thing. Slip it on. Man, that is so cool. So here we're just going to give you a little close-up of the tools, just to try to give you a little bit better idea how big they are. I mean, they got a nice, like I said, a nice surface area, whether you got gloves on or you just got big hands. You can see the way they're cut to fit the actual adjustment knob. You can see the little ridges. So 3D printed. John at Trail Gear Solution, he kind of come up with this idea and manufactures these in-house. I'm assuming maybe a small business guy owner, and really neat. Again, I'll have all the information below. The black one is $9.99 and the red one is $14.99. And just because, like I mentioned, the red is a little bit, the material costs a little bit more, but you got a nice hole. You can put you a nice paracord keychain in those, but really great tool. This is a must-have for the Rancho RS9000 shocks for sure. Well guys, that's all I have for you today. Hey, make sure you check these out in the description below. There'll be some links and information where you can order these. These are just so nice to have. You got to have them if you got the RS9000XL Rancho shocks. You got to have them. So thanks for watching. Make sure you drop a comment. Until next time guys, thank you.